being responsible in that manner. Um, and they just overdoing it because they overdoing it. And you know, we can all read, uh, uh, we can all comprehend instructions when we want to. And if there are some people who will use up a prescription faster than what they're supposed to, and they'll ask somebody else if they have some of the same pills, or they'll go back to their doctor and say, oh, I lost them, I dropped them down the sink, or whatever the case may be. Wham, re-up their prescription, and here we go on this slippery slope of being abusers and addicts. But again, you know, I know a lot of people don't trust the medical field, but you can't blame the medical field if you are not following directions. And that's where I'll stick that at.
Yeah. I mean, definitely. For me, I would say when a patient becomes a consumer, again, they're taking whatever that prescription is in the hopes of getting well.
Mm-hmm.
So when they start consuming that product and they're not getting well, I think that's when they go from being a consumer to actually slowly turning into an addict. And it all starts off so innocently. That's the crazy part. I remember this one guy. I can't remember where I was looking at his story, but he basically said that he twisted his ankle getting off a ladder. I think he was putting up Christmas lights or something like that. But anyway, he had one of those jobs that require him to be on his feet a lot. So he, you know, when he twisted his ankle, he went to the doctor, you know, went through that whole thing of getting a prescription and, you know, doctor recommending what steps he needed to take in order to heal this ankle. It wasn't broken, but it wasn't exactly, you know, where it was supposed to be either. But anyway, so he went from someone who just needed something to help heal his ankle into losing everything, meaning his family, his cars, his home, everything, because he became an addict over something so simple as a damn twisted ankle. So it's crazy how easy and innocent something starts off, and the next thing you know, you're losing every goddamn thing. So when it comes down to the ramifications of your health, I think everyone would like to be in good health. You know, that's not the case, unfortunately, but I think everyone would like to be in good health. And then there's some people just don't give a damn. But either way, I think for the most part, people take their health seriously, even if it's just from the mental aspect. They might not go to the gym and actually physically work out, but somewhere in their mind, they're saying, I wish I could be more healthier. Whether that's, you know, through actually doing a physical education behind it, or watching what they eat, or things along that line. But again, anytime it comes down to your health, it requires effort. So from the drugs that we may take or pharmaceuticals that we may take to actually get in the gym, it takes both, especially your mental game. But yeah, oh man, it's just one of those topics that is so vast that you can really go anywhere with it. But I'll leave it at that.
I wanted to hang on that, what you just last said, but I want to move that into what you have down here. Access biases. Does this exist? when you say people generally want good health and such,